Hey everyone, want to move your YouTube channel to a new Google account? Whether you were switching emails or handing off the channel, this 2025 step-by-step update makes it super easy. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign into YouTube Studio. First, log into YouTube Studio using the current Google account that manages the channel. Go to studio.youtube.com. You can see the link here. Step 2. Check for brand account. Click your profile picture and go to settings and permission. If your channel is already linked to a brand account, you're good to go. If not, you'll first need to convert it to one. YouTube Help has a guide for that. Now go to settings and permission again. Click invite. Then enter the new Google account. Set the role as manager and click done. You can add your email here. The new user must accept the invitation from their Gmail inbox. Once the new account is added, wait for 7 days. After that, go back to permissions, click the drop-down box beside the new email and change the role to owner. You will then become the manager. And that's how you transfer a YouTube channel in 2025. Like and subscribe for more updated tech tutorials and check the description for the official help links. Thank you so much for watching.